Certain dry foods can help reduce uric acid levels due to their anti-inflammatory properties and nutrients that aid in maintaining healthy kidneys. Here are 5 dry foods that may assist in controlling uric acid levels. 1. Walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts can help reduce inflammation and lower uric acid levels. 2. Almonds. Almonds are alkaline in nature and may help neutralize acidity, supporting kidney health and lowering uric acid levels. 3. Cashews. Though moderate in purines, cashews contain essential fatty acids that help manage inflammation and promote overall health. 4. Pistachios. They contain antioxidants and have low purine content, which makes them a good choice for managing uric acid. 5. Raisins. Though a dried fruit, raisins are low in purines and high in potassium, which helps regulate acid-base balance in the body. It's important to consume these in moderation, as some dry fruits may contain small amounts of purines. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.